Namaste to Kerala Ayurveda. I'm Smita Moore. I live in Hong Kong. I have studied from Kerala Ayurveda. I am a Ayurvedic practitioner and a healer, energy healer, and a yoga practitioner. That's what currently I'm been practicing in Hong Kong. My journey started with when I went to US and I studied about food and nutrition with Dr. Vasant Lad's curriculum in US in Ayurveda, energy healing and all I studied in US, and I came back and I started to practice in Hong Kong. But as a healer and with the Ayurvedic knowledge, I was treating a lot of my people, my friends and patients over here, and somehow it came to my understanding I had to learn more in Ayurveda, intensive training in medicine. I had to learn it, but as I'm living in Hong Kong and there are no institutes over here that teach you or guide you in Ayurveda, I started to Google it. And when I started to Google it, I got to know about Kerala Ayurveda Academy, USA first. And when I came to know about the USA thing, they said I have to study all of that again, which I had already studied it. So I was not very keen on doing the online thing. And I said, let me get in touch with the Indian Academy. And that's when in August 2017, I started to call Dr. Dhania. And I wanted to understand what the curriculum is and how does it work. And she was very sweet, very, very sweet. And she guided me, no, Smita, you will have to learn a particular these things, you will have to learn it. So she made a tailor-made program for me. And in the tailor-made program, she said, okay, the herbs are there, pathology, medicine making, all the diseases, all the massages, you will learn it. I said, okay. And I was like, okay, juggling whether I should go now, whether I should go later. And I had booked everything with her in January. But then we had a family wedding. Our business partners in Canada, their daughter's marriage was in Kollam. And that's when from Kollam to Aluva, I drove when I went. I was not sure where I'm going, what I'm doing, but I had the surety that I had spoken to Dr. Dhania. And she was like a sweetheart for me. And I felt, okay, she is giving me the surety to be there. You know, don't worry, we will take care of everything. And I ended up in March. After the wedding, I was there in the academy. I'm not knowing where I'm going, what I'm doing, but I was just there. The first day when I went over there, my experience was, of course, a very small little place, never seen the people, don't know what this is. I go up, I meet Dr. Dhania. She said, this is the curriculum and every week you have to give an exam. So then also I was a bit scared of what I'm going to be doing. Giving an exam also for me at this particular age, which I am, was not sure, but it was a very good curriculum. We started that week. I met the doctors, I met all the doctors who were teaching me. I was trying to learn, I was trying to grasp what was there, the intensive training in medicine. And it was just wonderful. But just to understand what Ayurveda is was not easy also. But somehow the whole team made it very easy, and any question I would ask the doctors over there, they were helping me. Even if I didn't understand, they would have the patience to teach me what I wanted to know. And I was really questioning them, a lot of questions. Then it came to that 1 week exam, and Dr. Ajima is like my first doctor at that day, that Saturday morning. And she's looking at me and she's saying, what's wrong with you? I said, I'm not ready to give an exam. I just felt I was giving a university exam, but it was not in university. It was just an academy exam. But somewhere I needed to perform well. But she made me in ease. The doctors made me in ease. I continued to study. I continued to understand what was happening, what I was doing. I was learning so many diseases. I was doing the pathology, medicine making, and even massages. I was learning the massages. When I was going into the massage part, they had separate rooms for the massages where they would teach us how to do the massages. And there Denny was there. Denny, one of the wonderful human beings I have met personally. And he would teach me the massage and he would sing the songs, and even I would just sing a song because it was a tailor-made program for me. And it was just feeling very light. I learned about so many herbs. I learned about so many diseases. How is the Rupa, the Purva Rupa, Nidhana, Samprati, the diet, the herbs. I was just learning and learning and learning. But a lot of clarity was coming. As I had existing clients for my healing, 7 in the morning, I would get up, see a client, do my yoga meditation, go to the classrooms, see another one. And what they were teaching me at that point, I was actually using it on my clients, which I was working as it is through the Skype and through Zoom last 8 years. And that's when all the remedies and all the medicines, everything were coming in use. It was difficult for me to understand what this is, but it came so easily because the doctors were explaining it in such an easy way. I could not go for a BAMS university, but I think this is even better than that. Better than going to a BAMS university and studying for 5.5 years, because this was a personal touch they were giving us. They were sitting and even making me, okay, this is the formula, Smita, this is how you should diagnose a person, this is the Nadi Pariksha, this is how is the tongue, this is how climate changes are happening. Everything was so clear and so easily formed according to how I wanted to learn. It was not only just them, okay, this is your curriculum and you got to study it. No, they were doing it even for me. In the middle of it, I just told Dr. Dhania, I want to learn Ayurveda cooking because I saw some of the girls learning it. And she just right away changed my program and said, okay, Smita, I'll adjust it inside. And she did the Ayurveda cooking and I just loved it. I enjoyed it. Then I was learning 107 Marma points, and Dr. Sharath is standing there and he's teaching me and he's saying, you have to give an exam in 107 Marma points. And my eyes went round and round. I said, oh my gosh, I have to learn all these Sanskrit words, but I learned it and I was actually dreaming of it, and I gave my exams and I think I was pretty okay with it. I do recommend people, please come there, please support them. It's a beautiful environment. It is a beautiful place. More than beautiful environment, beautiful place, the doctors are very educated. They know what they're teaching and they know how they need to handle foreigners like us. I call myself an Indian foreigner who's living abroad and who is trying to spread Ayurveda, which I grew up in India, but I never knew what it was. Only after coming to Kerala Ayurveda Academy, I understood what actually Ayurvedic medicine is and how helpful it can be to human being, and how the academy has such a wonderful curriculum which they can tailor make for you, and even the normal curriculum is very easy for a normal person like us who are living abroad to understand it. We are not BAMS doctors, we are just normal people who are doing yoga, meditation or healing or dietitians. Any one of them can come and learn this, and anyone can incorporate it, 2 or 3 things, incorporating it into their lifestyle of being a health practitioner and helping people. I have worldwide clients and their Ayurvedic formulas, which the teachers actually used to sit down, okay, take holy basil, do this, do Dhumapana, do the Nasya. They taught me all these things, and that's how I am telling and helping and curing patients worldwide with all these, and they have got completely all right. No medical allopathy medicine have been able to be cured, and their formulas which they taught me I have been able to help people. I am blessed to be with their academy. They have become my family. Each one touches my heart. They are my Kerala Ayurveda family. Each doctor has helped me. Even the health village, all the doctors became my family. I became in love with them, and somewhere it gave me peace to my heart, my soul, and being a part of Kerala Ayurveda. I hope my message that people get out of this, please help them. Come, learn the language, incorporate it for yourself. It will benefit you, yourself, and can benefit a lot if you are in the medical field or in a health field or a yoga practitioner. You can help many. Thank you. I hope I make a difference to the people for this academy.